In this video, I will show you how you can fix Shopify domain or DNS error. So first of all, the easiest way to fix this problem, remove your domain from the domain section in the Shopify tab. So simply click on it and then you will going to see your domain right here. So you just need to click on the three dots and you will have the option to remove. So simply remove it, and then in order to add it you just need to click on connect existing domain. Then simply put your domain name and click on next. Click on connect manually. Now if you are using GoDaddy, I recommend to click on connect automatically, and then you just need to log in with your GoDaddy account and you are good to go. As you can see, connecting my domain to Shopify, you just need to click on connect. Otherwise, in order to connect your manually, let's say you are using some third-party domain provider, you just need to copy all of these records and then put it in your GoDaddy DNS settings. So to do so, you just need to click on add new record, and then you can simply start by copying the first one, which is the a and at the rate. Now for the value, simply copy and paste just like so, and then tap on save. Now you need to do the same for both cname and txt records. Simply copy the name and enter the required value. And also remember, this is going to take at least 48 hours. Now if you are getting the domain error after clicking on verify connection, make sure to be patient and wait at least 48 hours before trying this solution of removing and connecting your domain again. So this was the process of how you can fix Shopify domain or DNS error.